After the resin cures after 24 hours, you might have seen such lumps or scratchy, uneven edges on your resin final products. These uneven edges make the final product look untidy. So, in today's video, we are going to see how we can remove such lumps and make our finished resin products neat and even.
Hi, I'm Neha from Art and Stuff, a calligraphy and mandala artist. I am a content creator, an art educator, and a small business owner. I make videos on art, calligraphy, mandala, digital art, DIYs, and much more. So, if you're an artist or want to become one, consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video.
So, the easiest and the best way to remove such unevenness is sanding. So, we'll take a sandpaper. I'm using a P150 sandpaper. Now, this P150 represents the grainy texture of the sandpaper. Higher the number, the more grainy the sandpaper would be. So, a sandpaper of P150 will be more grainy and rough than P80 and less grainy and rough than P200. So you can choose as per your requirement. I already had this P150 sandpaper, so I use this only, and this worked totally fine for me. Now we'll use wet sandpaper for this method. Just pour or spray some water on the sandpaper to make it wet. This helps in keeping yourself and your work area clean, as the dry sand and other particles in a powder form won't blow away everywhere. Also, it prevents the particles to reach your eyes and nostrils. Now, take your finished product. The resin product must be fully cured for at least 24 hours. If you want to know how to use resin, you can check out my video on resin. The link is in the description. Moving on, now check for unevenness or scratchy edges of the product and keeping it at a slant angle like this. Just rub them on the wet sandpaper. Don't rub too much and keep on checking the resin final product. Also, keep on moving or rotating the product on a consistent basis to ensure that the edges are evenly polished. Once you are done with the polishing, just clean the resin product with a wet wipe or cotton, or even a cotton cloth to remove all the scratched pieces. You can also use a few drops of rubbing alcohol to clean the final product completely.
So that's all for today's video. If you try this technique out, please share the images via Instagram or email. I would love to see them and share them with my audience. Also, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you next week with a new video. Bye.